Hi everyone, my name is Maddie and I work as peer advisor within CST's Office of Academic Advising. Today, I'm going to show you another resource that can help you create an academic plan. This resource is our major flowcharts. You might be asking what a flowchart is, and basically a flowchart is a visual course sequencing tool to help you see exactly how your major courses should be taken based on prerequisites. Each flowchart is broken down by major, whether it is a Bachelor of Science or a Bachelor of Arts, and also by the math star. This way, you can see exactly how your major courses should be taken regardless of what math course you started in. So to get to our flowcharts, we're going to start on the CST website or cst.temple.edu. You can then scroll down and click Undergraduate Academic Advising. And then on the right-hand side, we'll go to Advising Sheets and Flowcharts. On this page, you can enter your declaration year and degree program to view the flowcharts for your major. Be sure to choose the correct declaration year, which is simply the year you declared your major, as requirements can change. So we click this one. Hi, 21. Selecting your correct catalog year ensures you're viewing the right major requirements. And because I'm a biology major, I'm going to select biology. After you have selected the year and program, you can click Go. Next, you'll want to click on the major, and you will see the flowcharts listed for the BA and the BS degrees. Each degree option is further broken down by the different math starts, as you can see here. So today we will look at the pre-calculus math start for the biology BS degree. So this is what the flowchart look like. You will see that each major course is listed in a different colored box, and that box signifies which department it's in. So for example, biology coursework is shown in this red-orange color box. The fall and the spring semesters are numbered for the suggested timeline that you would complete this degree in. Next, these arrows signify that the course the arrow comes from serves as a prerequisite for the next course. So for example, if we're looking at Math 1022 or pre-calculus, it has an arrow pointing towards Math 1041 or Calculus 1, meaning that pre-calculus is going to serve as a prerequisite for this Calc 1 class. You should use the bulletin hand in hand with the flowcharts to double check that they're not missing any co-requisites or prerequisites. The bulletin can also help determine when to take other classes like your gen eds, since they're not listed on these flowcharts. So just keep in mind that these flowcharts only list your major requirements. This resource will help you feel confident in planning your major courses correctly. Sometimes there's room to move things around where your advisor might have a different suggestion for you based on your timeline. Always check in with an advisor when academic planning to ensure you're on the right track.